Stop scrolling. If you are ever a victim of cyber fraud, these 3 legal steps can save your money. Hello everyone. Most people lose money in cyber fraud not because of scammers but because they don't know what to do. So let us know how to deal with this cyber fraud. Primarily, what is this cyber fraud? Cyber fraud includes UPI, bank fraud, OTP scams, fake investment or the loan apps, WhatsApp impersonation, online blackmailing. All this comes under cyber fraud. Legally, these things are covered under Information Technology Act of 2000, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. So what are the immediate steps to be taken? We have this golden hour concept under which it includes first 24 to 72 hours which decides the recovery of money. So first what you are supposed to do is to call the cyber helpline number which is 1930, which is a government helpline number for the financial fraud which helps to freeze the money and trail immediately. So these steps can sometimes recover money. Next step is to inform the bank immediately to block account or card or UPI. Request chargeback or freeze. The RBI rule clearly states if reported within 3 days, zero liability if no negligence is involved. So the next step is to preserve the evidence. Collect the screenshots of the WhatsApp chats, SMS and email and the transaction IDs, UTR and bank statement. Evidence plays a crucial role for the conviction. So one of the mandatory legal steps to be taken is to file the complaint. It may be online or offline. Online complaint may be filed at cybercrime.gov.in or go directly to cyber police station. Then police must register FIR for the cognizable offence under section 173 BNSS, which is your legal right. And you can also file zero FIR anywhere. So the relevant legal provisions are under BNS, section 318 clause 4 is about cheating, section 336 or 340 is about forgery, and section 379 is about theft. It also includes digital assets theft. And under IT Act 2000, section 66C is about identity theft and section 66D is about cheating by impersonation and section 43 or 66 is about hacking and data theft. Punishment is 3 to 7 years imprisonment plus fine. This is about part 1. Further details we'll discuss in part 2. Thank you.